Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, January 31st, and it's the launch of Cosedora's new US website. To celebrate, I'm creating a manicure using the new customizable nail art stamping kit, which I shared with you guys in the previous video. Check the description box below for more information. For my base, I chose this beautiful nude nail polish from NCLA's Get Personal collection, and it's the letter H, which I thought would be perfect, not just the color, but also it matches with the theme. Since I'll be using the product sent to me from Cosedora, and as always, I'll have everything linked in the description box of this video. Today I'll be using images from her Back to Basics stamping plate. I'm really glad she included the liquid to clean the stamping plates, as well as the cotton pads, since the plates shouldn't be cleaned with acetone. Let's clean the plate. I'll put some of the liquid on the cotton ball. There we go. I'll do a little bit of cleanup with a piece of tape. I'm going to seal in the stamping with my no smudge top coat. The design of all the colors mixed together looks really cool, but I want to showcase each color individually, so I'll stamp one on each nail. I took too long and the polish dried up on the stamper, but look how pretty that looks and how bright the green is. I want to make sure the polish transfers from the stamper directly onto the nail, so I applied a little bit of foil glue and it's already dried up, so I'm going to continue stamping. Let's try the yellow. I'm going to try stamping it one more time. I think the stamper has oil on it, so it's repelling the nail polish, but I think it looks cool. For the last nail, I'll stamp with a green polish. I'll finish off with a glossy top coat. At the last minute, I decided to add my matte top coat, and I really love the way it turned out. You can definitely see the images a lot better, and I really love this look. I added some images from the other stamping plate and created this cute design. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!